Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about 3 more airdrops. From these airdrops you can easily earn up to $100. So if you are new to my channel, then must subscribe to my channel, then click on this bell icon. If you don't click on this bell icon, then you will not get any instant notification. So must click on that bell icon, so you will get instant notification. So if you not watch my previous video, then must go and watch that video. I will give the link in my description. So there they have, I will given you 9 airdrops, so must go and watch that. So and if you are new user and if you don't join my telegram channel, then what are you doing? Because you are almost missing every airdrops on that telegram channel. So go and join that. I have given you link in my description. So must go, because I have given already many airdrops on this telegram channel. From this many people are getting so much profit. So must go and just join this. So there are 30 members, so you can directly search. So we will move towards our first airdrop. So first airdrop is President Doge airdrop. So I have given the link on my telegram channel, so you have to go on that and just click on that. After that you will get this type of page. So 10,000, sorry, each and every user will get 60,000 6 lakh tokens of President Dogecoin. So every user will get 6 lakh Dogecoin. So sorry, Dogecoin, this is President Doge. So now you will get this type of tasks. So you have to complete all these tasks. So first you want to follow them on Twitter, then you have to join their telegram channel, then you have to retweet their pin post, then you have to add to favorite that president tokens in your CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap and dextool.io. So I will just search on my CoinGecko that president Doge. So you also have to search this. After that you have to click on this star. So first of all you have to log in or sign up. If you have already an account on CoinGecko, then you have to log in or you can sign up. So just I will search President Dogecoin. So you have to search that. After that you will get this type of page. Now you can see that star is yellow color. So just you have to screenshot of this page. So I will just take screenshot and you have to upload on that this gleam. So I will just upload my screenshot here. So I just select that and you have to just do this same type of work on your CoinMarketCap and dextool.io. So I have put this. Now you have to click on continue and you will get one entry. So you have to complete all this. Then I will show you these two tasks. So you have to join their telegram group and channel. I will just click on this and you will redirect it to your telegram. So if you don't have telegram app, then you can install from Play Store directly. So I will just go and you have to click on I am not robot, because if you don't click on that, then you will not get any tokens. So you will directly kick out from that group. So you must click on I am not robot, then you have to solve that maths question. So just click on that and you have already verified that you are not robot. So now you have to go to that page and you have already complete all this task. So this is your refer link. You can refer, or otherwise you can just sign up and you have get 7 entries. So we will move towards our second airdrop, which is from Ratio Finance airdrop. So what you want to do, just I will give the Discord link on my telegram channel. You have to click on that and you have to click on accept invite. So you will join their Discord group, and you will, if you don't install Discord, then you have to must install Discord for this airdrop. So what you want to do, just react on that verified button. Now you have to go to your DMs and you will get this type of message. So you have to prove that you are not robot. So you have to just enter this and you will get thank you message, you have verified your account. So now what you want to do, just click on fill form. So I will just click on fill form. So after that you have to click any browser. So you will redirect it to your default browser. So you will get this type of testnet quiz and this form. So this is Google form, so you have to fill this details. So you have to enter your email, then you have to enter your Discord ID. So my Discord ID, you will get this type of Discord ID on your Discord app. So you have to sign up on Discord, then you will get this type of page. So now I will just answer all these tokens. So first of all, you have to just quote that tweet by these two answers. So just copy answers from that, and you have to just paste on that quote retweet. So just follow them on Twitter, and you have to click on like and just click on retweet button. After that, you have to quote that tweet with two answers of that question. So I will just enter nice project, and just two answers you have to put on that page. So just click on tweet button. Now you have to copy your link of that quote tweet. So I will just click on copy button. Now I will go back. Now what you want to do, just answer all these questions. Now you will get this type of page. Now I have filled all these details. Now click on that submit button. So you have completed second airdrop. Now we will move towards our third airdrop. So in this airdrop you will get give tokens. So this is giveaway for 10,000 people. So there are only 5 to 6,000 people are joined, because nobody know about this airdrop. So just go to Telegram. I will given you the link. So you have to click on enter giveaway. So you will get one entry. You have to follow them on Twitter. You have to follow them on Twitter, then Telegram, then you have to join their Telegram channel. So you will get more and more entries. So I will just click on that, and I have follow them, join their Telegram, all these groups. So I will just follow them on Twitter. So you have to click on follow them on Twitter. So you will get automatically follow them. So now I will just go back and click on continue. So you will get one more entry. So I will just retweet their pin. So you will get this type of page. You have to click on retweet and just click on retweet button. After that, you have to like their tweet. So now you have to click on continue button. So you will get one more entry. So now you have to tweet a tweet on your Twitter. So you will get automatically this text. Just click on tweet button. Now go back to your Gleam page, and you have to click on continue. Then you will get one more entry. So you have to click on continue. Now you have to check out their page. So check out their website. So this is, you can swap these tokens on this exchange. So this is not exchange. So you can directly swap that tokens. I will make video on that after withdraw, after distribution. So you have to go to their YouTube. So you can subscribe, so your chances will be high. So now you have completed all these tasks. Now main thing is you have to paste your HT or Heco wallet. So how you can get this, you have to install Token Pocket wallet. So you can directly install this from Play Store. Now I will just enter my Heco address. So what you want to do, just click on this button. You will get many options. So you have to select Heco chain. So you have to select Heco chain address. Now you have to create wallet. So I have already created my wallet. Now I will just click on HT. So and you can easily directly go to your receive, and you have to copy that address, and I will just put this address on this Gleam page. So I will just paste, and you have to click on continue. So you have completed all these tasks, and you will get give tokens. So you can see this total giveaway of this amount. So you cannot read this amount. So just participate and you will get 100%. I can give guaranteed that you will win this giveaway, because no one joined this. So this is very big. So special shout out to these guys who have already comment big good, and I have very happy to see that comment. So you can also give comments like that. So I will get motivated, and I will give more airdrops. So if you don't join my Telegram channel, then must join and like this video if you like this video. So just go to my Telegram channel, and if you are new user, then must subscribe. So thank you very much. I will